Mastermind presents numerical solution of Laplace equation. Before watching this video, please subscribe and click on the bell button.
Next example, Laplace equation is solve dou square u by dou x square plus dou square u by dou y square is equal to 0. Correct to two places of decimal at the nodal points of the square grid using the boundary values indicator. So the problem, the mesh is given, square mesh. It takes the along x-axis and y-axis. Boundary values are also given. Along the x-axis 60, 60, 60, 60 and along y-axis 60, 40, 20, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So consider the inner grid point as u1, u2, u3, u4. Here grid point and the boundary value is given. So we have to find the value unknowns of u1, u2, u3, u4. To find any one of the value, we have to use either diagonal 5-point formula or standard 5-point formula. Suppose I am taking the diagonal 5-point formula u4, then it is 0. Any one variable you take, find value u5, u1, u2, u4. But we can't use either diagonal formula or standard 5-point formula. Suppose I am taking u3. When I am using the standard 5-point formula, u1 is unknown. It is not given. After I am finding only written. So in your problem it is not given. The unknowns are u1, u2, u3, u4. To find u3, standard 5-point formula, u1 is unknown, u4 is unknown. And these two are the values given. Similarly, to find u4, these are unknown, u2 and u3 are unknown. To find u2, u1, u4 are unknown. Suppose I am using diagonal 5-point formula to find any one of the value. u1 is equal to u4, u4 is unknown. So in this case, I have to consider either one of the value is 0. That is, either u4 is 0 or u2 is 0 or u1 is 0, u3 is 0. Suppose here I am considering u4 is equal to 0, then to find u1, you can use standard diagonal 5-point formula. So taking the standard 5-point formula, u2 is unknown. But here I am assuming u4 is equal to 0. To find u1, you can use a diagonal 5-point formula. So using diagonal 5-point formula, u1 is equal to 1 by 4 times of 0 plus 0 plus 20 plus 40. That is 60 by 4. That is nothing but 15. Once I know u1, to find u2, you use standard 5-point formula. So standard 5-point formula gives the accurate value. That's why to find initial value only we are considering the diagonal 5-point formula. Otherwise, for every value we are using standard 5-point formula. Therefore, u2 is equal to 1 by 4 times of 15 plus 20 plus 40 plus 0. Similarly, u3, u5. So, u4 is equal to 0. The initial value of u1 is 15. u2 is 1 by 4 times of 15 plus 40 plus 20 plus 4, that is 18.75. That is standard 5-point formula. And u3 is equal to 1 by 4 times of 40 plus 15 plus 0 plus 60, that is equal to 28.75. Once I got all the initial value of u1, u2, u3 and u4. Now the initial value of u1, u2, u3, u4 are u1 is 15, u2 is 18.75, u3 is equal to 28.75, u4 is equal to 0. Continue the process till you get u1, u2, u3, u4 are same value. u1 is 15, u2 is 18.75, u3 is 28.75, u4 is equal to 0. For again use the standard 5-point formula to find u1 value. That is, u1 is equal to 1 by 4 times of u2, 20 plus 10 plus u3, that is 19.38. To find u2 value, again use standard 5-point formula. u1, that is, we are taking latest value of u1, that is 19.38 plus 20, 40 plus u4 is 0, that is 19.85. To find u3 value, new value of u3 is u1 40 plus 0 plus 60. So here we are taking the new value of u1, that is 19.38 plus 0 plus 60 plus 40, that is u3 is equal to 29.85. So now u4 is equal to, using latest value of u2 and u3, 60 plus 50, so you getting u4 is equal to 39.93, that is new value is 19.85, 29.85 plus 60 plus 50, that is equal to 39.93. So continues the same process to get all u1, u2, u3 are same value. Here you are getting, after the 7th iteration or 4th iteration, we are getting the u1 value is 26.25 and u2 is 33.13 and u3 is 43.13, u4 is 46.57. Continue the same process up to the convergence of u value. After the 8th iteration, we are getting u1 value is 26.67, u2 is 33.33, u3 is 43.33, u4 is 46.65. So here no need to write all the times what is the formula, iteration 1, 2, 3 like that. In square mesh you can find the new value of u1 using new value of surrounding points. It is the solution of given problem. Consider one more example in Laplace equation. Solve uxx plus uyy is equal to 0 for Laplace equation. The following square mesh with boundary values are shown and correct it to 3 decimal places. So the square mesh is given, boundary values are all given. Here along AB the boundary value is 2 and 3 and along y, that is AD, the boundary value is 2 and 3. This side 3, 2 and 3, 2. So here I am considering boundary values symmetric about AC and DB. Suppose I draw the line, the diagonal lines DB, the 3 are same. Suppose you fold it, it will be coincide, 3 and 3 are same and 2 and 2 are same. Similarly here 3 and 3, 2 and 2. So here I am considering the diagonal line AC and DB. Along AC, diagonal AC, it is the symmetric about the diagonal AC and diagonal DB. Suppose you fold this and diagonal, you coincide A and C, then 3 and 3 are coincide, 2 and 2 are coincide. So that's why it is a diagonal about DB. Similarly, it is diagonal about AC. What do you mean by that? It is diagonal about AC means these 2 points are coincide, and diagonal about DB means this intermediate points also same, that is u3 is equal to u2, u1 is equal to u4. So I am considering that u1 is equal to u4 and u3 is equal to u2. So therefore it is a symmetric about the diagonal line AC and DB. Now you consider any one of value is 0. Suppose I am considering u4 is 0 and u1 is also 0. Therefore using standard 5-point formula to find u2, u4 plus u1 plus 3 plus 3. The initial value is 0 plus 0 plus 3 plus 3 by 4. So you can find initial value of u2. Similarly u2 is equal to u3. So whatever getting u2 value, it is equal to u3. Now once you know u3, I can find u1 is equal to u2 plus u3, 2 plus 2. u2 is equal to u3, that can be written as 2 times of u2. Here I am considering only 2 points, u1 and u2, that is enough to find u3 and u4. Therefore we are using the formula here, u1 is equal to u2 plus u3, that can be written as 2 times of u2 plus 2 plus 2, 4. Therefore u is equal to 1 by 4 times of 4 plus 2 times of u2. Similarly u2 is equal to 1 by 4 times of 2 times of u1 plus 6. From above mesh, boundary values are symmetric about AC and BD. Therefore interior grid values, that is u1, u2, u3 and u4 are symmetric about diagonal lines AC and DB respectively. That is U1 is equal to U4 and U2 is equal to U3. Therefore, we consider initial value of either U2 is 0 or U3 is 0. So here I am considering U2 is 0. That implies U3 is also 0. Therefore, U1 is equal to 1 by 4 times of 2 plus 2 plus U2 plus U3. So U3 is 0 and U2 is 0, that is 2 times of U2, that is 0, that is equal to 1. So U1 is 1, that implies U4 is also 1. Now the initial value of U1 is 1, U4 is 1, U2 is 0, U3 is 0. Therefore U1 is equal to 1 by 4 times of 4 plus 2 times of U2. That is according to the formula U2 plus U3, U2 is equal to U3, since I am writing here 2 times of U2. Similarly, the U2 value is equal to 1 by 4 times of 6 plus 2 times of U1, that is U1 plus U4. So we know the formula U1 is equal to U4, that's why we are writing 2 times of U1. So we can fill the grid point. U1 is 1 initial value, U2 is equal to 0 using the latest value of U1, that is 1 plus 3 plus 3 plus U4 is also 1, that is equal to 6 plus 1 plus 1 is 8, 6 plus 2 is 8, 8 by 4 is 2. Again you are going to find U1 using the latest value of U2, that is 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus again 2, because U2 is equal to 3, that is you can write 2 times of 2, that is 4 plus 4 is 8, 8 by 4 is 2. Again you are going to find the new value of U2. Now the latest value is 2, that is 2, U1 is equal to U4, that is here 4, 4 plus 3 plus 3, 10, 10 by 4 is 2.5. Again using the 2.5 for U2 and U3. Now find new value of U1 is 2.25. Continue the same process up to getting the same value of U1 and U2. After the fourth iteration, U values are convergence to 2.333 and here 2.665. Therefore, the U1 value is equal to U4, that is equal to 2.33, and U2 value is equal to U3, that is 2.665. After few iterations, the convergence value of U is U1 is equal to U4 is equal to 2.333 and U2 is equal to U3 is 2.667.
Hope this video is useful for you. Please subscribe and click on the bell button.